Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Sewing Basket in Plymouth, Wisconsin. I'm going to just do a quick shop tour this morning. It's been quite a while since we've done one, and lots of things have changed. New fabrics, lots of fun new projects. I'm going to move fairly quickly because it can take a long time to get all the way around the shop. The owl is a new panel that we thought was fun since our Playground Network symbol is the wise old owl. Lots of new fabrics and interesting things. Sweet plaid baby quilt up there, a little bit of golf fabric, some pretty blues. Color wall is full. We just got in many new blender fabrics, so lots to look at there. This is a new pattern called Sincerely. It is a downloadable pattern on our website. We do have kits on it in 2 different colorways. You'll see the other one as we move through the modern room. Fun Halloween runner with gnomes on it. Kits on that as well. Christmas sneaking out here into the main area. This pattern is a fun pattern for pillows. We've done a number of those. You'll see a few others through the store. Upcoming classes, we're just updating. The classes for September and October will be on the website within the next few days. Fun things coming up, some multi-part classes, some lecture demos and trunk shows. Crazy quilting. Another one of the pillows in that beautiful magnolia fabric. Some clothing. We picked up a number of clothing patterns, purse patterns, and classes. We have a number of online video purse classes that you can watch at your convenience. Some canvas and linens. Great for clothing and purses. Embroidery products, purse products. We are a full-line Brother sewing and embroidery machine dealer, and my husband Danny, most of you know, he does all of our repair. We've got the Dreaming of Tuscany quilt back on the far wall, and here we've set up an area of table runners. We've picked up a lot of 5-inch squares, done a number of quilts, new patterns, and table runners with these projects as well. Black and white color wall back there. Sneaking back here, a lot of specialty rulers and projects. Floriani thread, and our other threads, Aurifil and Isacord. If you haven't tried Floriani and Isacord, they're beautiful threads. They're a polyester, but a very fine weight. Still strong, work beautifully on all different things. I quilt with them, piece with them, sew clothing, anything you do with any other thread. We've got a selection of wide backs here. This whole rack is 118 wide, and this rack is 108. For those of you that are new to quilting, that means the fabric is 3 yards wide, so you don't have to piece it when you're doing a large quilt back. If you haven't been in the shop for a while, you'll see some changes in this room. This we've changed into the kids' room. Lots of panels and projects. This is all flannel. Our batting, we carry Quilter's Dream, and it truly is a dream. Fun different projects for kids, some pillowcase kits, a nice selection of soft books, great gifts for those baby showers, or for the older sibling if somebody is having a baby and you want to give a little gift to the older sibling. Those soft books work great. Lots of options for baby quilts back here, from kids prints to florals. As we move into the middle room, We've got this set up with fall, Halloween, and Christmas. Lots of new table runner projects. This little line in the corner here, he's hung sideways, but you get the drift of what it looks